You may well have spent some time doing percentages and doing something called normal percentages when you're maybe finding a percentage increase. Reverse percentages where you're working back to what the original value was and also like finding the percentage change itself. This is very much in the realm of that. We can still use the idea that new equals old times multiplier. But instead of percentages, we're just dealing with a fractional increase. So since 1952, the number of people living in Wales has increased by about 1/8. That means, well, we've got our population at the start is worth like kind of one. It's 100%. It's the full amount. It is then increasing by 1/8, and I'm adding 1/8 onto that, and that actually gives us not 1 and 1/8, or 9/8. I'm going to write it as an improper fraction. So I'm told the total number of people living in Wales now is about 3 million. So that is my new amount. Oops, new. So I can replace this by, I'm going to write it in million, let the answers in million. So 3 is equal to old times 9/8. And this is actually a reverse percentage or reverse fraction kind of problem. To work out the old value, I'm going to need to divide by 9/8. And here's the key thing: you do not decrease 3 million by 1/8. That's not the same, because I need to decrease it by 1/8 of the original amount, not 1/8 of the new amount. And we don't know what the original amount is, so you can't do it in the same way. You need to use this idea of the multiplier. So I'm going to do 3 divided by 9/8. You could do this in theory without a calculator. You could keep change flip and times it by 8/9. Okay, all right, let's not go there. I'm just going to divide by 9/8, and I get 8/3, or 2.6 recurring million, which I'm then going to round to one decimal place. I've written the full answer. Let's round it, 2.7 million.